Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing myself, my name is Kevin Ilyas Noval Maulana. Here I will retell about Kiai Agus Salim. Kiai Agus Salim is one of Indonesia Islamic intellectual and freedom fighter. His real name is Mashul Haq, which means defender of the truth. Quoting the Encyclopedia of Heroes, The Spirit of Heroes, The Independence by Struggle by Ertoto Sugiarto. Ki Agus Salim was born in Kota Gadang, Agam, West Sumatra on October 8, 1884. He was the fourth child of Sultan Muhammad Salim, a prosecutor at a district court. His father's respected position made it easier for Agus Salim to study at that school. He also classified as a smart child. At a young age, Agus Salim mastered at least 7 foreign languages, namely Dutch, English, Arabic, Turkish, French, Japanese, and German. In 1903, Agus Salim graduated from Horaceburger School at the age of 90 with the title of Best Graduate in 3 cities, namely Surabaya, Semarang, and Jakarta. According to the book Pancasila and Citizenship Education by Maulana Arafat Lubis et al., during his lifetime, became chairman of the Indonesian Islamic Serikat Party in 1929, together with Semaun. He founded the Union of Labor Movement in 1919. Both of the persistently demand that the Dutch use Indonesian colonial government of a House Volksraad ahead of the proclamation of independence. Ki Agus Salim served as a member of Committee 9 in BPU-PKI before engaging in political activities throughout Serikat Islam. Agus Salim's life was quite restless. He moved from one job to another. Initially, Kiai Agus Salim worked as a translator and then a notary assistant. Afterward, he emigrated to Indragiri and Riau and finally to Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. In Arabia, Kiai Agus Salim studied Islam in depth while working at the Dutch consulate office to fulfill the wishes of his parents, who often urged him to become a civil servant. He used this opportunity to learn the intricacies of international diplomacy, which would be very useful for him. Ki Agus Salim put the meaning of Islam as a way of life for a very individual Muslim who is aware of his duties and obligations in society. As a result of ijtihad, which he pioneered of his view on various religious issues have their own character. Ki Agus Salim studied the Quran and made comparison of Islamic teaching with the advanced achievement masterworld. Finally, he concluded the Dutchland Muslim at the time was true in masterpression of Islamic teaching. He was known as accomplished Indonesian diplomat and respect in the international area. His extraordinary talent in mastering foreign languages made his figure brilliant. In the early day of independence, Kiai Agus Salim took part in drafting the 1945 Constitution with 18 other people led by Sukarno. His most important service was his diplomatic mission that introduced the Indonesian state to the outside world. The peak of Indonesian diplomatic victory has treaty of friendship with Egypt in 1947. Agus Salim expertise in diplomacy discontinued as he became foreign minister during the Shahrir Cabinet, Amir Sarifuddin Cabinet, and Hatta Cabinet. His work in international forum was on March 23, 1947 when he was appointed as vice chairman of the Indonesian delegation at the Inter-Asian Relations Conference in India. The conference was held at the invitation of Prime Minister of India Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. In October 1950, 1950, Agus Salim was appointed to attend the 7th Congress of the Institute of Pacific Relations in Lucknow, India, and colloquium on the Islamic Cartoon in Princeton, United States, in August 1953. In diplomacy circles, Agus Salim is known by nickname the Grand Old Man, as form of recognition of his achievement in the field diplomacy. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, everyone! Thank you, Elmar! Go!